Now we will learn about audio and attributes. Now that we learn about text-based content, let us dig into audio. Surely everyone needs audio. How else would you listen to your Korean hip hop? The audio element is used to embed audio content into a document. Like video, audio uses source attribute to link the audio source. And here is the example. So we have the audio tag, just like we have the video tag. And in the same way, we add the source for this audio, just like we add the source for the video element. We have the src attribute or source attribute, and then you have the type attribute where you should type your audio format. In this example, we created an audio element, then we created a source element to encapsulate our audio link. In this case, I am an audio file.mp3 is our audio file, and it is right here. Then we specified the type by using the type attribute right here and named what kind of audio it is. Although not always necessary, it is recommended that we state the type of audio as it helps the browser identify it more easily and determine if that type of audio file is supported by the browser. We linked our audio file into the browser, but now we need to give it controls. This is where attributes come in. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes allow us to do many different things to our audio file. There are many attributes for audio, but today we are going to be focusing on controls and source attribute. And let's see, controls automatically displays the audio controls into the browser, such as play and mute. And source specifies the URL of the audio file, like we learned already. As you might have noticed, we already used the source attribute. Most attributes go in the opening tag of audio tag. For example, here is how we could add both autoplay functionality and audio controls. And here is the example. All the attributes you should place in the opening audio tag, and you can find other attributes here, and I will leave this link in the description of this video so you can visit the page and browse more about other attributes. And let's see the instructions for the exercise. In the code editor, create an audio tag with the attribute controls directly under the commented line, and let's find right here audio tag, and let's add our attribute controls in the opening audio tag, and let's save our code. Okay, and here is the element. And now add a source for the audio inside the audio tag by using this code. Okay, let's copy the code given. Use the following URL as the source for the audio. Copy the source URL, and now save our code. And everything works just fine. The given sound is about dog barking, and here are the controls. You see, you can decrease the volume and increase the volume, mute the sound, and we have a download option. This should be all for this exercise. Let's continue to the next one.